Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzalosim. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to color grade a picture using just adjustment layer. And you can do it in any kind of Photoshop version, Photoshop CC, Photoshop CS6, it doesn't matter. I want to use any third-party plugin, so you can do this kind of color grading in any version of Photoshop and you will get this action in my Patreon account. And now, let's get started. Okay, first go to the color mixer option and here select output channel blue and set the value 0 for blue and 100 for green. So look at this, it's already looking beautiful. Look at this before and after, it looks great. And now go to the selective color option and here select red and I want to increase the red. So tell me what is the opposite color of reds. RGB is the opposite of CMY. So the opposite color of red is cyan. So if you decrease the cyan, it will increase the red. So I want to decrease the cyan a little bit. I think -10 is perfect. And now I want to increase the yellow a little bit. So increase it. I think +35 is good. And now select here neutral. And now here I want to decrease the yellow. So tell me what is the opposite color of yellow. It's blue. So if you decrease the yellow, it will increase the blue. So I want to decrease the yellow a little bit here. I think -8 would be great. Look at this before and after. It looks good. And now select here black. And here I want to decrease the yellow a little bit, just a little, -2. I think this is perfect. And increase the black a little bit. I think +5 is great. So let's see the before and after. This was the before and this is after. It looks great. And now I want to create a vignette effect. So go to the gradient option and select here radial, select here reverse and you will find something like this. Now move it and I think, yeah, it looks fine and I want to increase the scale a little bit. I think this is fine. And I am choosing this gradient. Look at this. It will create a vignette effect. Look at this. I want to decrease the opacity. I think 10 or 12% is good. Let's see the before and after. This was the before and this is after. Look at this. And now I want to add some light in this corner. So for this I am using this light. So click and drag it to your picture. And now change the blending mode to screen. That's perfect. Now press Ctrl and T and make it bigger and position it where you like. It's like this. I think this is perfect. Look at this before and after. It's great. Now create a curves adjustment layer. And now create the famous 3 point like this and click on this point and drag it to the up. It will give you a matte look. And I want to increase this point a little bit. I think this is fine. Look at this before and after. Look at this. Okay, let's see the before and after overall. Press and hold Alt. And if you click on the background layer, it will see the before and after. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It looks great. I hope you will love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.